Hi third graders, today I'm going to show you how to record your voice in Tynker that we can use for our bug project in STEM. The first thing you're going to want to do is to go to your STEM Google Classroom for the collaborative classroom, and there's a link there that says Tynker, Coding for Kids. If you click on that link, it will take you to this page. From here, you are going to find the top right hand side where it says sign in. Click. You are a student and you're going to sign in with Google. That will take you to your home page in Tynker. From here on the left hand side, I would like you to click on Create Project. Blank Project. Click. And it brings us to a screen that looks like this. From here, I'm going to find those three dots in the top right corner, and I am going to click on them and go back to Classic. The next step, I do not need this monster for our show. So I'm going to actually click the X on the monster, and I'm going to delete the actor. And then I'm going to come up here where it says Untitled, and I'm going to backspace and get rid of that word, and I'm going to call this my bug's name. So I'm going to call it Butterfly, and click Save. Now, yesterday in STEM, you wrote 4 things. You wrote your favorite bug, you wrote the illustrators that you used, and you wrote 1 thing about each illustrator. That's 4 things. So we're going to drag 4 codes from this main screen into the gray coding space. We're going to drag one that says when up arrow pressed. We're actually going to drag 4 of those. When up arrow pressed. Except we're going to change them to say up. This one will say down. This one will say left. This one will say right. So this is what we will use to help us connect with our Makey Makey. Once I do those 4 codes, I'm going to click Save. Next, I need to go into Sound because I want the codes that can get me your voice. So I'm going to go to Sound, and I'm going to scroll down until it says Play Sound Blank. I'm going to drag one and connect it, drag another and connect it, drag another and connect it, drag another and connect it. And then I'm going to click Save. Now I have when up arrow pressed, when down arrow pressed, when left arrow pressed, when right arrow pressed, and I have a sound connected to all of them. The next step is to start to record your 4 sentences. I'm going to come into this up arrow and I'm going to say, my name is Sarah and my partner is Betsy and our favorite bug is a butterfly. So I'm going to click on this white space and I'm going to say add sound. I'm going to click this microphone and I'm going to record audio. Now, it hears my voice. It's not recording yet until I click that button. So I'm going to click the button that says record, then I'm going to talk about what I want to say, and then I'm going to click stop. Here we go. Hi, my name's Sarah and my partner's Betsy. Our favorite bug is a butterfly. Once I click stop, this monster will save my recording, and then I will click OK. From there, now I can find that recording and put it in that space. Make sure to save your work. Now I'm going to go to my next sentence. My next sentence tells me the illustrators that we used for our picture. So I'm going to pick one. I'm going to add another sound. I'm going to record audio. We made our butterfly with characteristics from Tegan White and Eric Carle. He's saving it, and then I'm going to click OK. Now I can find recording 1. So now I have my first one and my second one. If I want to test it, I'm going to click play, and then I'm going to actually press the up arrow. Hi, my name's Sarah, and my partner's Betsy. Our favorite bug is a butterfly. And you will hear your recording. Make sure to save your work after each step of the way.